Hey guys, and welcome back to another segment of Cooking for Bae. Yes, I'm starting it back up. I believe this is episode 6. So let's get started. So today I'll be making some roasted potatoes, roasted cheesy potatoes. I'm also going to be frying up some catfish, and I'm probably going to roast off some broccoli. If not, I'll probably steam them. And yeah, so in my pan here, I have some red skin potatoes and a lot of fresh thyme in here. You're going to season this up with some cayenne. I like that kick. Some all-purpose seasoning. You can either use olive oil, whatever oil you prefer in here, but I'm using melted butter. You're also going to put some smoked paprika. The brand I'm using, whenever you get a smoked paprika, you want to get a nice, good, brand. This is the brand I'm using. You're going to put a good bit in there. You're also going to add your salt. Not too much of that. And then you're just going to add your melted butter or oil down in here. We're going to pop it into a 400-degree oven. Put my melted butter. Toss this really well so everything could be coated, and pop it in the oven. Alright guys, so I have my 2 catfish fillets over there. I have some eggs. I'm using the breading that I'm using will be the Zatarain's New Orleans fish fry mix. And that's what I'll be using for my fish. You can use your own, whatever you prefer, but that's the one I'm using today. It is cooking for bae, so we want to take things nice and easy. So, this is the broccoli right here. I'm about to blanch it in some boiling water for 2 minutes. 2 minutes only. Then you're going to drain it, and then we're going to saute it up with some peppers. And that's going to be basically the broccoli side. And yeah, so let's get going on frying the fish. Alright, so to my eggs, I'm going to add my Louisiana hot sauce. I want a lot of hot sauce in here because I want some heat. And you're just going to beat this up. Alright, so it's pretty self-explanatory. The instructions will be on the back of your package. Yada, yada, yada. You're just going to dip your fish in your spicy egg mixture. I used a lot of hot sauce because I want some heat in my fish. I'm also going to eat hot sauce on my fish. Because what's fish without hot sauce? I mean, come on. Then you're going to do the next one. Same thing, repeat the process. You want to coat this really well. Really pack it in there. And then we're going to fry these in a shallow. I'm doing a shallow fry. You can really deep fry yours. But I'm doing like a shallow fry. And then we're going to check on our potatoes after this. Yum. Oh. Perfect. These are what the potatoes look like so far. They're like maybe 85% done. Then you're going to take, I'm using white cheddar cheese. You can use whatever cheese you prefer. I'm just going to put it on here. I'm going to pile it on because I'm going to stir it up. And I'm probably going to let this cook for another 10 minutes in the oven. And that's it. Easy, simple potato recipe. Nice and cheesy. Buttery, well seasoned, simple, no fuss, no muss. You have no excuses. Cook for your man, cook for your girl, cook for your wife. You feel me? Okay guys, you see how my broccoli is still nice and super bright green. Like it's still bright green. All I cooked it, still cooked it for only 2 minutes. I think I probably only went 1 minute and 40 seconds, if that. It's still nice and crunchy. So now I have some peppers that I sauteing in some butter, salt, and pepper. And once the peppers are softened, I'm just going to toss the broccoli in there and cook it for 30 seconds and remove it from the stove. And that's it for the broccoli side. Alright, so these are my peppers right here. I cooked them down and I'm just going to toss my broccoli right down in here like this. And then basically you're going to cut the heat off because you don't want to overcook this broccoli. You're just going to toss this so it can heat back up in this hot butter and pepper, salt and pepper mixture. Now I'm just going to plate everything up and let you guys see what it looks like. And this is my fish, perfectly fried. Oh. Okay guys, so this is what my beautiful plate of catfish, cheesy potatoes, and broccoli looks like. I hope you guys enjoyed this segment of Cooking for Bae. And if you try my recipes, please tag me and let me know what you think. I have my lemon right there. And I already taste my other fish. It's nice and spicy like I like it. The hot sauce did come through. the broccoli's right there and the cheesy potatoes. And yep, so please subscribe and share and comment. Let me know what you think, and I'll see you guys next time on my next video. Bye guys.